Hello everyone. In today's sessions we are going to see how to create the lightweight extension add-on package. Extension package application is available inside the C program files, SAP Business One SDK tools and extension package. And for that we have some prerequisite like SAP Business One SDK has to be installed on the machine and Visual Studio for the source code. Let's see the quick demo. I will open the Visual Studio, which I already have the source code written for that. I recompiled the 64-bit and 32-bit with this particular path. Now I'm going to open the extension package applications from the path which I have mentioned on the presentation. Run as administrator. This is my add-on name, the version of the add-on, provider, which is the vendor, namespace is the vendor name, choose the database type, which database type is applicable for your add-on, contact data, and supported the client type, desktop, browser, or both. Okay, then go to the 32-bit client add-on, select the 32-bit in this. Okay, uncheck non-required files. Okay, go to the 64-bit and okay, then just once you selected that one, click to the package and choose the path of the where you need to save the package of this. Then in my case I will just put as the demo. I will call as demo. Once this is completed, you will get the message like you have successfully packaged your add-on and the path of the add-on zip file. Thanking you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.